Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss how long do mini splits last? As an energy-efficient homeowner, you've likely considered installing a mini split system to provide heating and cooling for your space. These ductless units can significantly cut energy usage and lower utility bills. However, before investing in a mini split, you'll want to understand its lifespan and how long mini splits last to operate effectively. How long do Mitsubishi mini splits last? Mitsubishi mini splits, a trusted brand, can last around 15 to 20 years with proper care. The compressor 8 to 15 years, coils 10 to 15 years, refrigerant recharge every 5 to 10 years, filters replace every 1 to 3 months, and ductwork 15 to 20 years contribute to their longevity. Usage, maintenance, and climate also impact their lifespan. How long do Mr. Cool mini splits last? Mr. Cool mini splits, if installed and maintained correctly, usually last 15 to 20 years. Proper installation by an HVAC technician, usage, regular maintenance, environmental conditions, and timely repairs affect their lifespan. How long do ductless mini splits last? Ductless mini splits lifespan 15 to 20 years depends on proper installation, annual professional maintenance, and addressing repairs promptly. Subpar installation can reduce lifespan by up to 5 years, while regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend it. How long do Fujitsu mini splits last? Fujitsu mini splits generally last 15 to 20 years with proper care. Factors like installation quality, maintenance, runtime, and environmental conditions influence their lifespan. Well-maintained units running intermittently tend to last longer, while constant operation in extreme conditions can reduce longevity. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini split resource online. Have a great rest of your day.